Hello, my name is Teddy Gao. I am the Resiliency Scholarship recipient for the year 2023. So I want you to imagine being in a classroom, right? And then somehow someone told you that you have to go to the main office. And already you're like a little on edge because you don't get sent to the main office without a good reason. And then you show up to the main office and you see the IB coordinator, your core class teachers, and a bunch of random people just sitting in front of like a square table just looking at you, right? And at that moment I was thinking like, well, this is it. Like this, I did something really bad, right? And then they presented me with a scholarship, and at the time it felt so special to me because I wasn't expecting it. It is the only scholarship that is completely teacher nominated. The student has almost no say in it. And it reminded me of my battle during college admissions, right? I wanted to be considered a domestic student instead of an international student, so the tuition don't just triple or quadruple at the time. And I remember all of this, I was sending like 70 emails back and forth, and all of this was during IB testing, so it was an extremely stressful time. And when the Resiliency Scholarship was awarded to me, I was reminded that my high school teachers saw the struggle I was going through, and then they were doing their part. They were fighting for me. They were trying to make my life easier. And their attitude strengthens me. And to know that people still believed in you when no one in the rest of the world does is special. And I think it symbolizes to me, even to this day, how my high school teacher, even though they're still in Portland, Oregon, right, they never really left. They're still fighting with me, and they still want the best for me. And this is how I feel about the Resiliency Scholarship. And I hope you fund it more. Thank you.